Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make palacinkas, which are Serbian crepes. And so I wanted to share that little bit of happiness and home that I have with you because it's such an easy, delicious recipe that you can make anytime. So I hope you enjoy. We're going to start with 3 cups of flour, 2 eggs, 1 bottle of sparkling water, around a half to 1 cup of milk depending on the consistency, half a cup of regular water, and a dash of nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. So you're going to first crack the 2 eggs into the bowl and whisk them until they're completely whisked. Once the eggs are whisked, you're going to slowly add the flour and the perrier water, alternating while it's still mixing so that you can make sure that you have a good consistency with no bubbles. Once you think you have a good consistency, you're going to start to add the cinnamon, the vanilla extract, and the nutmeg. Then at the end, my mom saw that we needed a little bit more water, and our consistency in the end should look like this. It should be a little more on the watery side. After that, you're going to get the skillet ready, put some oil on it, and wait for it to heat up completely so that once you put the batter on, it can fry. Once you think it's cooked pretty well on the first side, you're going to flip it over to the other side and let it cook all the way through until you think it's ready. Some people like it crispier and some people like it less crispy. You can try both and kind of experiment with what you have. When you're done with that, you can finally make your crepe. There are so many different ingredients you can use. This includes jelly, Nutella, peanut butter, plasma, which is a Serbian ingredient. It's kind of like crushed up graham crackers and it's my favorite thing. So for me, what I like to put on it is just Nutella, bananas, and plasma. And then you're gonna roll it up like this, and you have your crepe. Now it's finally time to enjoy your creation, and let me say, mine was delicious.